got this, bud. Good job. A little bit further. It's been a rough season. Heading out, back to the truck. It's been a tough season. Bunch of hunters here. Had a fire on the west side of the unit. It's pushed everybody east. So it's just been tough finding a good mule deer. I've passed on 3 or 4 bucks, but they were 4 good horns and one decent 3-point, but just not quite ready. But my son, 8-year-old, Big Jim, and I are going into the backcountry here tomorrow. So hopefully we get away from the folks and me and that little dude can kill a good buck. So stay tuned. James and I just missed a giant buck. I mean, I'm talking 185, 190. Giant, wide, tall. I mean, it wasn't a great shot through the trees. We went over and checked and I missed him, but we know where he lives, huh, buddy? So, James spotted him.
Yeah, we got to this buck brush and my dad was in front of me and we were walking and I just barely heard something right behind me. And
You looked up.
I looked up and there was a massive buck just running right
Giant.
behind me.
It was a giant.
And I was like, Dad, just get over here. And he got over
We know where he lives, so we'll be back. So James and I just found 2 shooters, good shooters, and they're probably 1.2 miles away. About 2,000 yards is what I'm guessing. Up down this nastiness, and then up a steep ridge, and then down, and then up. So I'm hoping if we get to that steep ridge, we'll be about 400 yards. So we're gonna go after him, huh, bud? Yeah. Finally found 2 good ones. Well, we've found 6 or 7 big bucks this year, but haven't got any shots yet. All right, stay tuned. So this is what we're going down. It's insane. Insane. Huh, buddy?
Yeah, and I had the idea.
Well, he had the idea, and I said no, but he said we can do it, so we're doing it.
We can do anything we put our minds to.
Yeah, we can also slide a long ways and get hurt, so go slow, okay?
Yeah.
James, what just happened?
Monster bug.
What just happened, dude? Come here.
I heard a gunshot. I jumped up. I looked back in the scope.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking so bad. How long did it take me to shoot that?
Like probably
half an hour. I couldn't get a steady rest. I just had to keep. Oh my gosh.
My toes started hurting and I had to go to the bathroom. So bad.
Oh my gosh, we just hiked so far. We glassed this buck from 1.2 miles. Oh, and it was a brutal, kind of deadly. We did a death hike.
Yeah, we did
to get here.
Steep like this.
Came across a big old buck cougar kill. Big old muley buck. He's a good buck. He's not a 200 incher, but he's a good buck. I'm so pumped. I love you. You're such a stud.
Thanks.
Seriously, you are.
Thanks.
So awesome, buddy. So proud of you. I'm serious. I didn't want to come down that cliff face, and James was like, we got this. And I was like, dude, we might not stop if we start rolling. Oh, mommy's going to watch this. We were very careful, mommy. Okay, oh my gosh, let's go get this spot. Oh, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, buddy. He's a pretty good one.
Pick up those horns.
Oh.
3x4.
Yeah.
On the 4 side, it has a massive eye guard.
Yeah.
Look at that.
He's a good buck for me. I love him. Big mountain buck up in the wilderness with my boy. Best day of my life. One of the best days of my life.
Me too.
Besides the day when I found the Lord, and met my wife, this is right up there. Oh, how beautiful.
Yes. Look at that beautiful face.
Yeah, just a
Look
good
at that
buck.
one.
Blast him from way over there.
Look at the width.
Pretty wide, pretty good buck.
Yeah.
Okay, go down there and get a picture,
Okay.
and then so trying to carry this entire deer out by myself. James has the jackets and stuff in his little pack. I tried to hold deer by myself and I made it about 300 yards. Yeah, and it's too tough. So my cousin's right over there coming to help us, and we got about 2 miles out of here. It's gonna be about a 6-mile day, I would say, by the time we're done. Brutal, but so worth it. Yeah, baby.